Some places seem like they're plucked straight out of a dream, and then there's the Azores, Portugal, a destination so breathtaking it feels otherworldly. Picture this: a drone gliding over vibrant volcanic craters blanketed with green turquoise lagoons shimmering in the sunlight and rugged cliffs kissed by the Atlantic breeze. The Azores, a collection of 9 magical islands, is the hidden European paradise you didn't know you needed in your life. Start your journey in São Miguel, affectionately known as the Green Island. Feel the heat from bubbling geysers in Furnace Valley, a geothermal wonderland. Or perhaps you'd enjoy hiking the stunning trails of Lagoa do Fogo, a secluded crater lake that feels untouched by time. Snap the perfect photo of the twin lakes at Sete Cidades. No filter needed. This is peak Instagram-worthy content. Wondering when to visit? Late spring through early autumn offers the best weather, lush foliage, and a chance to spot blue whales off the coast. Yes, whale watching is a must here, so pack your zoom lens. Insider tip: skip the tourist crowds and visit Pico Island. Known for its ancient vineyards and dramatic volcanic summit, it's an underrated slice of heaven. Pair the rich local wine with fresh seafood. You'll thank me later. Traveling here is not just about sightseeing. It's about connecting to pure, natural beauty. Whether you want to hike, relax, or adventure, the Azores is your perfect match. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags. Your next unforgettable destination is calling. Subscribe to Destination Travel for more adventures to inspire your wanderlust.